Okay, it's about 10 a.m. on Sunday the 19th of May 2024. And what else would you be doing on a Sunday but mucking around in your engine bay? Now I've had the oil light blinking at me. So I've done a little bit of looking around, and I reckon it's that oil switch. That's that little thing right there. So I don't think it's the oil pump. I've never ever known an engine to have a problem with the oil pump. That's just my experience, and I'm sure people will come up and say, yeah, I have, but I haven't. But to get to that little baby, I've had to take out the oil filter, which sort of sits in there. It's just down there. I've had to take out the alternator, and I've had to disconnect this pipe, which is my fresh water line. Otherwise, I couldn't get a spanner into that switch. So I'm going to get that out, go and get a new one, or test that one first anyway. Get a new one and fit it, because it's always best to do the simple things first. And this engine's only got 1100 hours on it, so it shouldn't have a problem. While we're here, you can see my fuel system. That Raycor filter doesn't have a filter in it. That is the first thing that my fuel comes through. So it's like a half litre of water trap. So any water or muck that's in there will drop to the bottom in there and trap it. And then we come to a filter. Then we come to a electric fuel pump. Then we come through to another water trap filter, and then we go into the engine. So we've got it pretty well covered. This little bit here is where the original nanny diesel filter was, but when I was in Tasmania, I couldn't get one in Tasmania, and it was going to cost $70 for the filter. And they had to get one in from Melbourne. So I thought, no. So I bought that and fitted it with the same grade of filter. So now I can buy a standard filter a lot cheaper, and I can get them anywhere. So that's a much better system for me. Anyway, I'll let you know how it all goes.